In this tutorial, we are going to create a yes or an input type question. So we click on create input question. Select title. You can select any of the string text parents that you created. Select message. Select any of the string text parents you created. Select positive. You can select any of the string text parents you created. Please note there's no negative value for string input type questions. As it stands, this is a very basic input type question. When the user hits this on his mobile phone, and he puts in a value in the pop-up box, that information will get sent back to the server and it will be marked as correct, because we don't know, the computer does not know, or the server does not know what value it was supposed to be. If you know what the value was supposed to be, you would put that value in the select expected answer. So you would put down 9999. If you knew the, let's say, a mileage on a truck was going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the user does not put that in, you need to set this check to see if input matches to true. And if it matches to true, this answer is correct. It will appear green in the attempts. If he puts in 1, 2, 3, enter, this will be marked as incorrect because it's not the answer that you expected. Like the yes no type questions, you can force the user to put in a value in the checkbox. So if this require user to enter text is required, when the user comes across this question, he has to put in an answer. He can't just press enter and skip by. He has to put in an answer. If check to see if input matches is true and the user puts in the wrong value, a pop-up box will appear. If you want to force the user to put in a reason why, let's say something is incorrect, this needs to be set as required. If require user to enter text in a pop-up box says not required, the user can simply click OK on an empty input type question and continue on to the next section. And the last one is require pop-up box input text type. If the user inputs an incorrect value and check to see if input matches is set to true. If the user detect the input box that would appear to get the information as to why the value is wrong, we can actually set the keyboard to be a date, a number, or an email. So in this case, because it's mileage, you know that the keyboard should be numbers. And if you click create, this is created. If you want to view that question, you need to click view all input type questions, and you can basically see it here, and you can edit this as much as you want.